So because you don't know the population standard deviation, you only know the sample mean and sample standard deviation, this is a t-test. So first off, it's asking whether the GPA is larger than 2.5. So we're going to choose an option where the alternative hypothesis is that the mean is greater than 2.5. So this would be our choice for the null and alternative hypothesis. Then we'd go into our calculator. We'd go over to tests and down to a t-test. We'd make sure that we were entering statistics over here. Notice you can enter both. If you're using data, then you've got to have a list, but this nicely computes all of that for us. So we simply go over to statistics. The mean that we're testing is 2.5, so 2.5, exactly right. And then we are told that the sample has a mean of 2.55 and a standard deviation of 0.08, and that the sample was taken of 75 people. Remember, we're interested in testing that alternative hypothesis where the GPA of night students is larger than, greater than 2.5. So we want that to be greater than the 2.5. And then we're going to calculate. And when we do, we get the next questions that it asks. The test statistic is humongous. Remember, that's kind of taking the place of the number of standard deviations from the mean. It isn't exactly that, but you can think of that when you think of being essentially 5.5 standard deviations from the mean. The p-value is essentially 0. And so they ask us for that information. So hope that helps.